Hey, welcome friends to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa, and today I'm coming on here with another album share with you guys. This is my Flowers in Bloom folio, and it measures 6 by 7, and it has a 1/2 inch spine, and there's the back of it. And I decorated it with Blue Blooms by Craftsmith. This is paper from Michaels. Beautiful paper to work with. So let's dive into this little cutie. Okay, so it opens up and you have 2 pockets right here with photo mats. Okay, and then these open up and it slides out. And this photo album will hold about 15 of your favorite pictures. They just slide right back in there. This one comes out as well. Okay. And it just slides back in there. Just like that. Okay. And then you open these up and you have a flap here. And so you can place 2 pictures here, or a nice big picture, a place to journal. And flip this flap, and same thing on this side. Okay, that is my Flowers in Bloom folio album. And if you liked this album, please share it. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on my projects that I upload. And I will be doing a tutorial on this, expected either later on today or tomorrow. But I do have a tutorial ready for you guys on here. So, okay, you guys keep scrapping. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.